Hey everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome back to Prepper Watch, the news and reporting arm of preppingcommunities.com. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you were a seasoned prepper or you are just getting started on this journey, you are in the right place. And if you are into prepping, homesteading, and staying on top of the news and awareness that may impact you, your family, or your community, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a report. This morning, I was tending to my little micro container garden. My husband and I have planted tomatoes, we've planted strawberries, some peppers, and some red chili peppers. And I got to tell you, they're doing really, really well. So I thought maybe what I'd do is just create a video today and talk about gardening. Let's get getting back to our roots, literally, not just for fun, but maybe we can take it back to survival as well. So in a crisis, your garden, I don't think is just a hobby. It is a lifeline. It's your pharmacy, your pantry, your peace of mind. My husband's, my mother-in-law, she was a school teacher for many years. And my husband always talks about every summer, they would plant this huge garden. It was their their backyard. And it was just like a legacy garden. It was everything from potatoes to squash to peas to beets to the whole thing. So he really, really cherishes gardens. And this year, he's always done our gardening. He's always been the one that's looked after it. This year, we are in a different place. So we don't have a backyard big enough for a garden, but we do have a backyard that's big enough for a container garden. So that's what we're doing this year. You know, some folks are focused on calorie crops like potatoes, squash, and beans, like my mother-in-law was, and others lean into herbal medicinals like calendula, comfrey, yarrow, echinacea. Both are really, really vital. And here's the catch, too many people start a garden without thinking long-term, about water access, seed saving, pest control, or what to do if fertilizer disappears from shelves. This year we integrated companion planting in with our tomatoes and our peppers. And I got to tell you, it's a game changer. Touch wood, no pests so far. The tomatoes are growing beautifully. We've got so many. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I'm hoping that by the end of the season, we're going to have enough to create a whole bunch of tomato sauce and some salsa. Some of the things to consider are, do you have a manual watering system like a rain barrel or a hand pump? Are your garden beds built for drought or flood resilience? Can you identify and grow perennial edibles that come back year after year without having to replant them? Are you growing anything that can be preserved, freeze-dried, or dehydrated for the winter? And can you protect your food from animals and from people if things get desperate? Back in my day as a little kid, our fun was kick the can, or we would go and raid gardens. We would steal carrots and peas, and I don't know how that would fly these days, but back then it was a big thing. So these are the questions that turn a cute backyard garden into a long-term survival system. So my question to you is, what are you growing that could feed you or heal you during a crisis? Do you have any DIY hacks for pest control, water catchment, or preserving your harvest? Please drop your ideas in the comments below. Someone out there might actually really need your tip. And please head over to preppingcommunities.com and Prepper Watch, where boots on the ground reports, survival know-how, and honest intel are shared by folks just like you and me. Connect with groups near you or create your own. Swap tips, knowledge, and local alerts. Dive into our growing library of prepping and homesteading resources. Believe me when I tell you, there's a lot. There is so much information, and you can take a quiz to test your knowledge or just jog your memory. And if you are living a self-reliant lifestyle, more now than ever, it's critical I can't talk again today. It's critical to connect, prepare, and share with other like-minded people. And that's exactly why we created Prepping Communities. Our intention is to build a one-stop hub where you can do it all in one place. Join your groups, get the latest prepper news, and find the resources you need to stay ahead, all completely for free. So we are building this one member at a time, and your voice, it truly matters. We're so grateful for your support. Until tomorrow, this is Tammy from Prepper Watch. Stay alert, stay informed, stay prepared, and whatever's coming your way, Prepper Watch, we have got you covered.